Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connection issues when your ThermoMix TM6 is not connecting to the Wi-Fi. If your ThermoMix TM6 is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, then you may want to try a few things. Let's go to the three lines in the top right corner, go to the settings, and then make sure that if you go to Wi-Fi here, it is enabled. Now try finding a network. Now, I'm not really sure 5 GHz networks work. I'll try it out. I have a 5 GHz network here, and we'll see if it will work properly. If not, then you may want to connect to a 2.4 GHz network. What that means is that if you have just one network at home, it'll very likely work. But if you have two networks, select the one that doesn't contain 5G in its name if the one with 5G doesn't work properly. Now, let's try connecting. You can see sometimes it won't display as like your networks won't display as connected, and they will display as saved. In that case, you need to click on it to connect to it. You can see it is currently connecting, and it is taking a long, unnecessary amount of time. If that happens, then try moving. Oh yeah, in my case it worked, but if it didn't, then try moving your router closer to your ThermoMix, or your ThermoMix closer to the router, depending on what is like more possible. Now, once you're done with that, if you've moved your router closer and it didn't help, try restarting your ThermoMix, of course. So press and hold on the selector until it says ThermoMix will be shut down, and wait until it actually shuts down. And once it shuts down, you can press again, and it will turn your device on. And it may sometimes fix the issue, but of course not always. It's not the best one and only fix, so once it turns on, we'll get to the next thing. If you are already connected to a network, you have a network saved, and it doesn't work properly and it doesn't connect, then you may need to click on the I button next to your network. So if I'm connected to it, but let's say this one. If you are connected but it doesn't have like signal, then we'll talk about that later. If it doesn't like transfer any data, but if you aren't connected but it displays as saved, you can click on this I button right next to it, to the one that you have saved, and then you'll need to click on Forget Network. Then click on that network again and enter the password. Make sure you're doing it correctly. You can also try entering the same password on your mobile phone to see maybe it's just the wrong password. It's always worth using two devices side by side to see where it goes wrong on one of them and where it's okay on the other one. And we'll be talking about that in a moment, actually. But as you can see, it is connected in my case. If that didn't help, then then your network may just be congested. If there's lots of devices plugged into your network, they may not want to connect properly sometimes, and in those times, I recommend testing something out. There's a thing that you can try in order to fix it. So what I recommend doing is using your mobile phone in order to share hotspot from your mobile phone. So I'll show you on an example of an iPhone how you can do it. I hope it's visible right now. You can see there's my iPhone. I can click on personal hotspot, and then allow others to join. Once I'll disable and re-enable that. Now, once I look for networks, I should be able to find my iPhone. Is it this one? I don't think so. I think it had a name. No, it's this one, yeah. Let's select iPhone, and then I'll enter the password that was displayed in the mobile hotspot section. You could also change it. In my case, it's just 8 zeros. And try connecting that way. What that helps you identify is issues with your router. If you can connect to your phone's hotspot, then you know that there's something going on with the router. And what may happen on the router is either it's either that your router has MAC address filtering on it, and you may need to log into your router or reset your router if you are like able to do it. If it's not restricted by your network carrier, you may want to reset the router or adjust its settings so that the ThermoMix isn't restricted from using your internet. You could also try, sometimes what happens is a Wi-Fi has a hidden SSID. SSID is the name of the network. And sometimes you need to click on connect to other networks, then enter the network name, but make sure you enter it exactly. So if your other device, like your phone, can connect to that network, then you'll need to find the name and type it in exactly. Lower uppercase, spaces, underscores, and stuff like that. Everything has to be entered exactly. And then the security has to be selected. You can always check it on your phone by going to the network details. Then I think you can check it. No, I can't check it. Okay. It's typically WPA2 for most networks. And then enter its password and try connecting that way. And yeah, I think that should fix the issue in most cases. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.